How to turn on blue tick read receipts on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to turn on blue tick read receipts on WhatsApp. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your any of your chats and let me just show you an example. As you can see, the person hasn't seen this message yet, so it basically enables you to read your receipts or the message that you have sent has been read by other person. So just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on settings. So to enable it, all you have to do is just click on this privacy option over here, and once inside here you can see there is an option called read receipts. So it's enabled for me, for my section. So in your condition, if it's disabled, you can just enable it by simply tapping on it and make sure you have enabled it just like this. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. So that is exactly how you can easily turn on read receipts blue tick on WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.